Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unfreeze your KuCoin account step by step. Don't worry if you are new to KuCoin or crypto, I'll explain everything in simple and easy language. Let's start. Now, what does KuCoin account frozen mean? First, let's understand the problem. When your KuCoin account is frozen, you may not be able to log in, not be able to withdraw funds, see a message saying account restricted or account frozen. This usually happens due to security reasons, unusual login activity, incomplete identity verification, or policy or compliance checks. Now, let's fix it. Step 1. Check the freeze reason. First, open the KuCoin app or website. Log in to your account if possible. If your account is frozen, KuCoin usually shows a warning message or sends an email explaining the reason. Check your email inbox and spam folder for messages from KuCoin. Knowing the reason helps fix the issue faster. Step 2. Complete identity verification, KYC. Many accounts are frozen because KYC is not completed. On the KuCoin app, tap on your profile icon, go to Account Security, then tap on Identity Verification. Now, upload your ID document, take a selfie if asked, and submit the information. Make sure the details are clear and correct. Wait for approval. This may take a few hours to a few days. Step 3. Secure your account. If the freeze is due to security reasons, do this. Go to Account Security. Now, change your password, enable 2FA, and remove any unknown devices or sessions. This tells KuCoin that your account is safe again. Step 4. Contact KuCoin customer support. If your account is still frozen, you must contact support. Open the KuCoin app or website. Scroll down and tap on Support or Help Center. Now select Submit a Request. Choose Account Issue, Account Frozen or Restricted. Explain the problem clearly. For example, my KuCoin account is frozen. I have completed all required verification. Please help unfreeze my account. Attach screenshot of the error if possible, your registered email ID. Submit the request. Step 5. Wait for KuCoin's response. After submitting the request, KuCoin support will review your case. They may ask for additional documents. Reply to their email quickly. Do not submit multiple tickets. Just wait patiently. Important things to remember. Never use fake documents. Do not create multiple accounts. Follow KuCoin rules carefully. Always keep 2FA enabled. This helps avoid future freezes. So, this is how you can unfreeze your KuCoin account in 2026, step by step. Even if you are a beginner, just follow these steps carefully. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you still face issues, comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.